name is Uğur. I'm representing Metry today. Here I work as head of tech, head of software development, it doesn't matter, but I'm a software engineer. I joined Metry 5 years ago, 6 years ago actually, and I joined as a software engineer. We were 4 people back then, now we are around 30 to 35 people, it's hard to keep the count nowadays. But I will start with Metry first, and then I will talk about technology and the culture a little bit. So yes, we are operating in the energy industry. It's a 300 billion market worldwide. It's massive. And saving energy is around 60 billion market. The funny thing is, the technology to save energy is there actually. 80% of the energy that's used by the buildings can be saved with the existing technology. But knowing what to apply is really difficult. To be able to do that, you have to measure your consumption in different granularities, even like room level or staircase level or elevator level or even light bulb level. So that's what we are helping real estate industry with. So we provide building owners with data, the data they own, but it's really tricky to collect so that they can save energy and money. And how we do that is, yes, we scan invoices, we scrape web pages, we connect sub-metering, we connect hardware, APIs, whatever you can imagine. And then we aggregate this data, we structure it, we run quality analysis, and we make it available for our customers so that they can integrate it into BI systems, AI systems, or any kind of decision-making system so that they can make the right decision for their buildings, for their properties, so they can basically save energy, therefore save money, and also contribute to a better planet overall. And today, we have actually quite an established customer base in Sweden. We work with Vasakronan, Schneider Electric, also Afri is a customer. Today, I think we have around, 180 customers, 35,000 buildings, around 9 countries, but we are most established in Sweden right now. And let's see, I think the next one is our demo. I think it will take around 50 seconds, and this should show you how we collect data, and only from the front-end perspective, of course. So first thing first, you select a utility provider, you tell where you want to collect data from, and that's of course a demo account, and you enter your credentials. Then in the background, basically at that moment we started collecting your data. And when it's done, basically you have an inventory of your metering points in that account, and you activate those meters, and once they're activated, you can access the consumption data, even month by month, day by day, or hour by hour, depends on what they provide. And then you can integrate it to multiple different systems. Here you see VTech, one of the biggest in Sweden, as far as I know, and you can just integrate your data to their system so you can start getting your analysis immediately. So let's see. Yes, I will briefly talk about our business model. We are a SaaS company. We charge per metering point. So every metering point you activate, we charge you. And yeah, basically, we use all the advantages of being a SaaS company. We can scale really well. We hold around 5.5 billion data points today. And yes, increased complexity comes from here actually. We hold a lot of data on the cloud. And last summer, we have gotten around 30 million kronor investment from Fairpoint Capital. And now we are growing into multiple countries actually. We are focusing on Europe right now. First step is the UK, and we will grow from there. We are operating in some countries, we are stepping our foot, but we are going to focus on the UK. And when it comes to complexity, I can connect to the tech from here a little bit. I know that's the most interesting part for many of you. So we use cloud, of course. We are a SaaS company. We respond around 2 million requests every day. We hold around 5.5 billion data points. We have 400 different data sources that we collect data from, like either PDF files, websites, different file formats, APIs, hardware providers, whatever you can imagine. If the data is out there, we do everything to collect this data and then structure it into Metry so that our customers can actually get this data. Apart from that, I think the next slide is the culture slide. But before getting there, I want to highlight like how do we establish our culture and engineering culture briefly. We are around 11, 12 developers as of today, and we have 3 different software engineering teams. 2 of them works with backend technologies and 1 team works with front-end technologies. And each of them operate in a different level, different style, they have different routines, and in terms of engineering culture, I can say we are quite established and we are very proud of what we have achieved so far. We do what we do with passion, and I mean, we are quite a diverse team. I think I was the first international hire in the company, and then suddenly the company switched to English. From there, like, we just speak English. Everything is in English. I don't know how many different languages are spoken in the company today, but it's more than 10, if I'm not mistaken. But the official language is in English. And as a company, you can use a lot of buzzwords, like we are open-minded, we are transparent, but we practice it in our recruitment process. Like, you really feel our culture during our recruitment process. So if you're interested, as a software developer, as an engineering manager, I don't know, as a product manager, feel free to check our careers page. I'm sure you will find something interesting there. And especially if you're interested in software development roles, there is no open job ad at the moment. I think there will be few next week. But if you want to bypass the recruiters and everything, you can just come and talk to me directly. That's all.